Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Homework exam 1 physics form 3, day 3, page 3. So this is the last page. Okay, so here we have inertia, topic inertia. So we have a bus moving, accelerates, so accelerates that way. And so we can observe that the backward movement of the passengers. Okay, so it is explained by inertia, because when the bus from rest move, so it is from rest then accelerate, the passenger body, um, the body at rest tries to remain at rest. Okay, so that is the reason, to remain at rest. Okay, so that's the first answer. And I mean, that's the first mark. So here is the second mark. Okay, so we have heavy stream roller, difficult to change direction because of inertia. Okay, because when inertia, the steam roller will remain moving in the same direction. Okay, so it is same direction. Okay, so because same direction, because inertia is Newton's first law. First law of Newton. It says that moving object will keep moving at same speed. Oh, I need better space. Okay, so inertia is Newton's first law, or first law of Newton's first law says moving object will move at constant speed, constant velocity. So velocity means its speed and its direction. Okay, it will remain that. Or if the object is at rest, so stationary object, will remain stationary. I don't know whether I'm spelling the stationary correctly. So these two will happen when there is no external force. That means no resistance, nobody pushing, or nobody pulling. Okay, no external force. So you need to remember this. You need to memorize this. Right, next one, we have an elephant and a monkey. Okay, monkey, the inertia of the elephant is bigger than the inertia of the monkey, because mass of elephant is bigger than mass of monkey. Mass is the only factor that affecting inertia. Okay, so the only factor that can change inertia, so bigger mass, bigger inertia. This will be the hypothesis of inertia experiment. Okay, it is a experiment wajib lah. Okay, right? So we have a stone. We are spinning it on a string. So when the string is suddenly released, which way will the stone follow? And the answer is C, because moving object will move at constant velocity, means it tries to keep its direction. Okay, to keep this direction. So when the stone is over here, the direction is towards C, and when suddenly the string is released, so the stone will keep moving that way. Let's say if the stone was here and we release the string, so the stone will go that way. And the same for here, if the string is released, the stone will go that way, right? And the last one, we have uh, this will be something like a stimulus for an experiment, initial experiment, where we have a pail, empty pail, and pail filled with by sand. Okay, so the second one is harder to move and harder to stop. Okay, so one suitable inference about that is because bigger mass of pail, hard to move, because, okay, inference must have because it has bigger initial. Okay, so that will be the inference. We will have because. Okay, and hypothesis is like something like conclusion or our early guess before we do the experiment. Tekaan kita, okay, so tekaan kita for this experiment is that bigger mass will have bigger inertia. Okay, bigger inertia. So the mass will be our manipulating variable, and the initial will be our responding variable. Okay, and again, here are the link or YouTube videos at which each one of it will be 2 minutes, so it worth to watch 2 minutes video. Okay, for you to quickly understand ticker tape, inertia, linear motion, and motion graph. Alright, so hope this will be helpful to you. Right, do your best. You will not you will we don't want you to regret it later, so we better work hard from now. That's all. Bye.